Well, after replacing the water jacket right here, it's still leaking just a little bit. I showed a picture of it like a week or two ago. But like 80% of the water coming out of the water jacket's gone. We got two options here. Saw how crusty that one water jacket was. Replace that and the gasket again. Or take this off, reuse the gasket, or get a new gasket, put RTV around there, and maybe it'll seal. I just happen to have some spare parts. So I bought this boat motor blown up and rebuilt it. Here's the old head and piston right here. Nice and toasty. But I do have a spare water jacket. So I'm gonna zip this off real quick and see if it's not as crusty as that one. I think that one just got warped and ate away by aluminum oxidation over the years. So let's see how good this one looks, taking that one apart. All right, let's see what this one looks like. Super easy to do these water jackets. And this one looks crusty, like the last one. Plenty of oxidation. As far as I know, it wasn't leaking. So we can take a stab, clean this one up, throw it on there. I'd say if I had to guess, somebody used RTV on this one. It's hard to tell. But I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of RTV right here, just in case this one's warped too. We'll see what happens, guys. All right, this one looks a lot better. We got Cohen out there power washing and detailing it. So if any of y'all see water squirting out what it appears to be the spark plugs, it's not from the combustion chamber, it's from the water jacket, most likely. And that other one that I cleaned up and put on, it did look a little warped around that spark plug, but I rolled the dice. It's my own boat. I can roll the dice if I want to. Let's put this bad boy on. All you do, goes on one way, put your sensor in, put this over it, with the gasket in between, tighten the bolts down. I'm gonna use a little bit of blue Loctite on my bolts. You do you. And it's been about 8 or 9 years since I rebuilt one of these motors. I don't remember if the water jacket is supposed to get RTV. I don't think it is supposed to, off the top of my head. But I did do the other water jacket probably 3 or 4 years ago. Pretty sure I didn't use RTV. So this is the other side of the motor. Cohen's out here doing a good job detailing. And we're just gonna separate this wiring harness. This one, cut that zip tie. We'll have enough slack, get it out of the way. Spark plug wires and plugs off. Zip, 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 zip. There we go, people. She's all done. Got my helpers. We did good. Cohen got her polished up. Sun's going down. We beat it. Let's go. She's ready to dip in the water. Who's coming fishing with us?